Right away, the first thing you'll see, as with any syllabus, at the top we have my contact information. So my name, Jessica Hughes, my email address, jhughes@dbc.edu, and our office hour will be held virtually using the chat feature on Canvas, and I will be there every Friday from 2 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. But if that doesn't work with your schedule, you can always email me in advance to set up an appointment time where we can log into chat together. And then our course meetings, all of our meetings are going to be online, and we're going to go from January 27th through May 22nd. Our content is going to be updated on Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 a.m. So that's when I will publish. The course material for Monday will be published at 8 a.m. And you can log in anytime on Monday to complete it, anytime on Tuesday to complete it. Classwork will be due at 11:59 on Tuesday, so for a Monday class. Homework will be due on Wednesday at 8 a.m., which is like you might think of it at the beginning of class on Wednesday. Next, we have the course description, and this is just taken straight from the DBC catalog. Our course will focus on developing logical reasoning, analysis, reading primarily expository and persuasive texts. So generally speaking, we're not going to be looking at any fiction. Those are like literary arts. We're not going to be looking at that. We're going to work on analysis and argument in writing, and we're just going to be pushing those critical thinking skills a little further than what we really practiced in English 122. Our course is going to focus on how an expository text makes an argument. So what is the main argument? What are the supporting points? How is evidence and reasoning used to support the overall thesis? It's a 3-credit course, which means that you'll have 3 hours of classwork each week. The prerequisite is English 122. It's all online. You can follow this link for the Canvas or Insight sort of homepage. And just an important notice is every Monday and every Wednesday, so on those 2 class days for each week, you should expect to spend an hour and a half of time just completing your classwork, and that's followed by another 3 hours of time that you should expect to spend completing your homework. So reading, studying, writing, 3 hours is really about the standard. So if you have any questions about this, just the first top half of this page so far, go ahead and use the replies to ask those questions or make those comments.